These are American violets, but they just grow wild, and I dug this clump up out of my grass actually. And once you let them grow in your flower bed, they start looking really nice. And here's a little area I'm going to let fill in with these American violets. And you can see they've already started to reseed themselves. And without the competition of other things that you can just simply pull up, they start looking really nice. These violets, they bloom in the spring, and the leaves aren't that bad the rest of the year. And these are creeping Jenny. I spent a lot of time pulling that stuff up, and I think your flower bed is better if it has a cover. And these bloom really nice in the spring. I saw a field one time that it was just purple from a distance, and it was just these. And it's really easy to pull up the grass out of there because you don't have to worry about pulling up. So I just grab a hold of it like that and pull it out. These are a nice wildflower too that you don't see growing in your grass or anything, but they reseed themselves. They will grow all over the place once you get them. They're called columbine or aqua legion. Here's another one called common poppies. And in a battlefield in World War I, where almost 1 million men were killed, they were growing wild there. And after the battle, it turned up so much soil that all these seeds that had been buried started growing, and the whole field was covered with poppies. It's Flanders Field. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, can you please subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot. So thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.